Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and click notification bell so you can receive my new videos weekly. And today video about how to pass rebuild inspection, state patrol inspection, and what they require for you to pass inspection. Number one, they ask for receipts for major components. It's fenders, bumper covers, bumpers, suspensions, engine if you swap the engine, doors, big stuff. They don't ask receipts. I'm talking about the state of Washington. Maybe different state have different rules. State of Washington, they don't require receipts for headlights, corner lights, tail lights, glass, and they don't require receipts for the work if somebody did it for you or if you did it. Number two, you need to have a car. Yes, you need to have a car at the time of the inspection. Number two, you need to have a paperwork for your vehicle, matching VIN number. This is very important. If you bought the vehicle from the auction, sometimes auction can do mistakes. You need to be sure the VIN number you have on your bill of sale matching with VIN number on your vehicle. Otherwise, they're gonna send you back and you have to go back to the auction and do some corrections. Number three, you need to have a permit to drive there. You can buy a permit, $5 for 2 days, state patrol and emission only, and you can request state patrol form. Another thing, when you get to state patrol, officer will come up and ask you for paperwork and will ask you for some different kind of questions about the vehicles, not about you. It's all about the car you drove in. Just be cool, relax and answer the questions. And if you see the officer getting disappointed, calm down, don't try to argue because it's not gonna work. It's simple and easy process. Instead of Washington, you have to order inspection online or you have to call them and make the appointment. You can't just come and show up for the inspection, otherwise they're gonna send you back. You have to do appointment in order to have your inspection done. Hey guys, if you have any questions, you can comment below and I will be happy to answer any questions. What I know, I will share it with you, and I will have a little video for my last state patrol inspection. I just did it so you can see how it goes through, what they require, what they ask. So if you go, it will be easier for you. Alright guys, so we're getting here to state patrol so they can inspect our car, and let's see if we're gonna pass the inspection. So pretty much what they do is a safety inspection. They check if the car is drivable, if it's safe on the road, and if you change anything and if you replace any parts, you must have receipts, and pretty much that's it. So we have appointment at 8:30. Looks like we'll have 13 more minutes before they're gonna open the door for us. So we need our paperwork and ID. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yes, what's the telephone number?
509.
Perfect. This a 4, 5, 6, or 8 cylinder?
8.
Automatic?
Yes.
Air conditioning?
Yes.
Cruise control?
Yep.
Power windows, locks, and mirrors? CD?
A CD?
Does it have a backup camera?
Nope.
Sunroof?
Yes.
Leather seats?
Yes.
Power and heat to your seats?
Yep.
And what color are the seats?
Black.
And where was the damage to the car?
It was on the bumper cover, on the front, and this side
Just
of the
repairs only?
repairs only.
I'll have you open the door for me then. And we'll look at your airbag lights. You're good. Now we pop the hood.
What he's doing right now, he's checking the VIN numbers. Have to be matching with your paperwork. What do you think, guys? Are we gonna pass, or we have to come back? Fancy BMW flashlight. Okay, we got. Door is opening, it's a good sign.
Okay, you're good to go.
Alright, thanks, sir. I passed the State Patrol inspection. And now, pretty much what I have to do to license the car, I have 60 days to license, and I need to do an emission test before I can put it on my name. Simple, easy, just follow the rules and you're good to go.